Hello everybody, it's William here. Welcome back to another video again. Now you're gonna have to keep on mind now because we are just doing our voice, but we can do some sound effects with voices now. Of course, what should we do? I have any reason to say about it, even if once more time to let you think. Well, that was great. Do you hear that? Yeah, I certainly believe that just happened to us. Won't you, William? Yeah, you're right, Dexter. Always been a part of the challenge to let...
Yeah,
disgusting!
himself on the way back.
Oh,
Henry!
my goodness.
My goodness!
You!
That was gross!
Henry! That is disgusting.
No.
Sorry, I just couldn't help it. Well, I didn't know that was a surprise, I believe. Yeah, you're right, William. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope I enjoy myself. But anyway, we'll see you on Logo Bloomers later. Until then, goodbye.